Hey fellas, as you can see we have a common problem with the Milwaukee batteries. This one blinking green red or red green, it's no difference, and we will open it, check what we have inside. Okay, I will check the voltages here. 3.6, nothing. 3.6, and here we have basically nothing. Oh, 11 volts. Okay, so just let's check the cells itself. Here, 3.6, 3.6. We have nothing here. We have nothing here. Nothing. Still nothing. Okay. We have 3.6, 3.6, 3.6, and 3.6. So let's check again the middle pack. Maybe some contact missing or something. Now so we didn't have voltage on this ones. I hope so. Okay, I'll measure it again. Yep, on this ones and on this one. Okay. So these ones are bad. We need to cut them out, remove them, and replace with the good new ones. Let's measure. Nothing here and nothing here. Okay, I have replacement cells. And let's check. If we have the negative here, the positive will go to the front. Okay, let's repeat the steps. Okay, it was easy peasy. So now what we need to do, we need to spot weld this ones, and then will be needed to spot weld this. I hope I will be able to do that, and maybe I can firstly put this one here and spot weld it on it. I don't know. Let's check it. Maybe. Okay. And I think that someone is greening this one's. I don't know, maybe I need it white. Okay, let's check. So if this one will be like that, I will put the quarter here. Okay, now I want to make sure that I have the good contact with this plate. So I will try to hold it like that and weld it first. Let's check. Yeah, we have it good. So now we can continue our game and mount this one. And okay, I see that I have small problem, and whether I have replaced it maybe because this place will go on the rubbers. So okay, let's try to change something. What can you change here? Right, disconnect. I will disconnect it. Okay, I will put it like that, and we'll put in the housing and hope that it will be good. Strange today, seems that my spot welder working very good, better than yesterday. Okay, well, it's interrupted by a pole. So now we need to connect this one with this one. Oh, sorry, should be gapped. Okay, and I will try to put this one in the spot. Okay, looks nice. Now I need to do the same with this ones. Okay, I have spot welded everything here, and now our controller not doing anything. What I want to do, I want to put the battery into the charger to check what the charger shows. The charger shows that the battery is charging now, so I need to check if it's not heating up. And okay, now it's not heating up. I just need to charge it. Oh, put it on the wrong side. Okay. Have to do yourself more work, just put the battery on the wrong side. You can see now the battery shows 2 from 4, so I will fully charge it, and I hope it will show all 4. I have just thinking why this one for the repair. So inserting the battery in the charger, and now we need to wait until it charges fully and of course set it to the tool. For you, just thank you for watching and bye.